Raising capital for your startup is the most time-consuming exercise for a founder, and it comes usually at the most important times of early-stage companies. Ganga is changing the way entrepreneurs around the world raise investments for their early-stage or startup businesses by allowing entrepreneurs to build relationships with investors before asking them to invest. Before we go further, let's look at the current systems and why they don't work. Angel networks. There are many of them out there. They usually charge between $300 to $600 for a 3-month membership. And then you're expected to bombard investors with your business plan and wait for them to reply. This method does not work, as the investors know nothing about you, have no connection with your startup, and it is unlikely that one person will invest $50,000 to $100,000 by themselves. So you're probably thinking, well, that's where crowdfunding comes in, right? Not quite. The truth about crowdfunding is that the most credible platforms actually reject 98% of applications, as they focus on high-growth established businesses. Out of the 2% of successful applications, only around 30% of campaigns get fully funded. The main reason for this is lack of momentum. Crowdfunding sites expect you to have raised around 40% of the funds yourself before your campaign goes live. This presents a problem in the startup world. Most entrepreneurs don't have relationships with investors, and they don't have the resources to run a successful equity crowdfunding campaign. Ganga has developed a revolutionary system that tackles some of the issues mentioned. The platform allows entrepreneurs to connect with investors in a social network environment. You can post updates and notable achievements on your timeline as you develop your business from idea to something tangible. This allows investors to be part of your journey, see where you're coming from, and have a connection with you and your startup. At any time, investors can make an offer to invest in your business at the amount and equity value that is suitable for them. Simply create a campaign listing and investors are able to make you a direct offer. It's as easy and simple as that. If you're crowdfunding, use this platform to build a soft network of investors before your campaign goes live. This helps build momentum and can increase your chances of getting funded by 80%. You can also use this platform to build your team. Whether you're looking for an SEO specialist or a tech expert, find them on this platform. If you're one of the experts looking to join a team, find a startup that suits you on the Ganga platform. Go to Gunga.com today, start building your network, and become a powerhouse of a startup.